Hello, and welcome back to another day of Monster Trucks versus Lego Ninjago. Before I start, the same adjustment. Bro, where? How can it come there? Yes, this is my special adjustment. Again, my Nongding asks you to subscribe and like this video. Please do it. And Nongding say, I'll wait for you until you subscribe to 1K. And then you're next to the next clip. And yeah. So before I start, you oopsies. The bridges fell. Remember the last part from the last video? That one I just noted that everyone's at the back wall. At the back wall of everything. And then Zora just put the two guys, Dragonton Warrior and Bone King with his sword to help them. Wait, what? Oh, the truck come. And then the truck just go too. I don't know why they need to do. And just wait for a moment, and I will finish everything, and then we can continue. Oh, and I think now our clip needs to upgrade to 11 minutes because 10 minutes can't handle one clip. Oh no, I'm run out of time. So yeah, just only for the review it is 10 minutes. Don't need to change it so that wait a second. Ah! Sin just fell down. Number 157 failed. Ah! There we go. Sin number 163. And we got our two monster trucks. Then let's start the clip. How dare you? Why did you? Please. I forgot these technos. Ding. Ding. I don't remember that Bone King come to this one. Yeah, never mind. I can't remember where Bone King came from. I think it's like this. And yeah. No. Okay, don't care about it. Wait, where does that car come? Intruders! Okay. Another guy coming for a person. Ah! Ah! Ow! Luckily, I got a gun. Ah! You did. Okay, fine. Ow! Ow, 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 ow! I'm a strong knife. Nobody can come to our one. That's our king. No intruders can come for us. Use the monster power. Frames. Ching! Out! Oops. I need to go to the toilet. Bye-bye. Sucks, boy. Just go to the toilet. We just got only two. I need to do it. Because, the king just teleported to another world. Just wait for the crocodile to finish breathing. No chance, but I'm the leader. I need to go. Are you ready? This long to the floor, 3 centimeters. Huh? And then she just goes to space. Whee! Ah! What the rocket? Okay, I give up. Bruh, what an easy one. is not it. How dare you, Bolton? Come here. Say, it's a dance. Now, what did I do was? Now, our next goal is to, I managed to, okay, and about the part 29, we will get some incredible things that I'm not going to worry. Something is wrong. Don't worry, guys. Hold on, my sword! Ding, 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 ding. Tell us where the world that those two monster trucks came. The same one? No, this is strange. See the floors. Floors are very hard. Superpower sword! Chop! Okay, fine. It's very hard to get it. How dare you again! I have no men for you now. Huh? Who's Yes. No men for those pesky, whatever you going to call. No intruders come for Lego Ninjago cities. With these bad guys that help us. No bad guys more helpful like this. Yes. Monster mode. Sure about it? Then let's try to battle. This day and no more. Fine, we will win it. The battle begins. The piece fell. Just for a second. Easy. I dodged it. No went for it. Oh, I'm late. Sarah, get out of there. I can't get it out. Whee! Again. Very easy. Huh? Suck sky. Hey, yo, chill. You must chill. Wait. I'm going to shoot this. No. Where did it go? You will see. Bing. Why did it didn't broke? Broke only one finger. I said, Sarah, get out of there. How can I get out of it? Okay. Fine. My engine still can. My engine can return. It can't return back to normal. Fine, I lose. Ugh. And I can't get out either. Fine. Use this. Nobody can stand on me. Whee! I'm going to go. Huh? This head is very strange. Why did it come here? You're due now, you two guys. I got guards help protecting me for a long time. Get back, guys. I'm better for myself. Seriously, this small plane for our cable has already been stolen, and it's very weak. Not weak, imps. Not implants for this. Shh. Go, guys, please. The time almost finished. Fine. Sorry guys, our time has already been. Fine, we can still do it. Fly! Hiya! I got it. Shoot! Yay, they died! Run! Another in. Go! Robin Hood! Everyone, don't see. It literally hit the screen. Fight! Okay, we died 2 of them. My turn. Whee! To be continued. In the part 3, we have already, if I times 10 of this series, it's almost going to be finished. But now our time has already been, and now the story is still fun, but now our time is already gone. So if you want to see more clips of mine doing, I do lots of review, please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for you guys that watching this video, and I hope you enjoy for today. Yeah. I'll tell something when I have already finished. Okay guys, bye bye. I'll clean this. Bye bye. And see you at the next clip tomorrow. Goodbye.